Yanni has. Everyone, even pre-KG students have 5 periods a day, having only 10 minutes, 30 minutes break. Everything is screen time. The homework, the research for answers. IGCSE syllabus is full of internet. We are supposed to get the answers only through internet. Then how can we avoid the screen time? That too in the pandemic, everything is based on phone, laptops, iPads.
Yes. See, the screen time, you can make it in a different category. One is for entertainment, another is for studies. When you say if the screen time will spoil your eyes, yes, lot of screen time will spoil your eyes. Things to avoid, there is something called a warm screen. Have you seen in your tablets, phones, warm screen? There's a settings in Windows which you can automatically set after 6 o'clock, or it will know when the sun sets, automatically know, and then the screen will change into warm. That warm screen will avoid your irritation in your eyes in the evening, because actually speaking, white lights are not good for any of us. That's why if you've seen in many foreign, I've seen only in movies where they have an evening time, they have only yellow lights. We used to have earlier yellow lights. The yellow lights which we had more heat. So that will help you to seduce your eye burning and the hormone which will help you fall asleep. Lot of screen time after certain, like 8 or few guys sleep at 10 o'clock, try to avoid watching screens 1 hour please. Like 9 o'clock stop your screens. If you guys are scheduled to sleep at 10 o'clock. You make it a habit and you properly manage the time with what you use for entertainment and what you use for studies. You give priority. If you feel studies is more important, you have to adjust that with your entertainment, because there is no other way. Like you said, everything is with the screen. At least with this pandemic. The pandemic is over, things might change. You can spend your live classes like what you do here, you don't use screen, right? Similarly, you would have used 8 hours a day at school. Changes will happen. At the time, drastically the screen time will reduce. So that's how it is. But now we have to manage the screen time to to use proper things whichever is needed and avoid entertainment. Entertainment is needed, but limit yours.
Right, so that's a nice question. Prashant, your turn.
So, what is your idea about technology?
Sorry?
So, what is your idea about technology?
Idea about technology. What? Phone technology, wireless technology?
Wireless technology.
Wireless technology.
இது என்ன கேள்வி? What is your idea about it? அதுதான் அவருடைய question. Please, okay. So, வேற ஏதாவது rephrase பண்றியா உன்னுடைய question? What is your idea?
என்ன கேட்கணும்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறேன்.
So, what is your thought, sir? For thinking it is bad or good?
No, it is good. Technology is good, but how we use it is important. Weapons are good for safeguard of a country, but if they start to attack other countries, it's dangerous, right? But whatever in India, more military power is strong for India, but it is a threat for an opponent country. So technology is always like that. It is good to have, but you have to use it properly.
Right. Darshan Siddharth is next.
So, good evening, sir. And my question to you revolves around technology access to everyone, sir. So, right now, majority of people have access to technology, but not everyone has access to top-notch, world-class technology, sir. If one person has a OnePlus or iPhone X, the other person might have a Nokia button phone or a double zero. What's that model?
Nobody has model.
So,
Even then, Karthik Valan was there.
okay. So if one kid has like gaming consoles like Xbox, other kid might be playing games on the computer. So what do you think, according to you, if a situation came where each and every person in the world had the top-notch best technology, and how do you think the world will be if each and every person had the best technology access available?
It's impossible to answer because it's what you answer to that is everybody should be rich. There should be no money. Everybody should have access to everything without spending money.
A flat door.
Flat. It's like everybody should be rich, or there should be no concept of money. It's like you can use it, put it there. Somebody else will come and use it. The resource should be ample. Infinite resources should be there. Only then the situation which you asked will happen, which is not possible. There is always level up, right? So that's the competition. Everything is around that. I mean, it's good to have, but then you will not have it.
Yes.
Not much right. I want to be the first. If you say that there is nobody, everybody will be first.
Everybody wants to be on the top of the world. So.
You will not have a race, you will not have anything, you will have no competition, no IPL, no nothing.
It is, as Wayne used to mention, it is the gap between the two lines of the musical note is creating the music. Musical note is the gap. So, it is the gap the music. So, there has to be a scavenger, there has to be a washerman, there has to be a CEO, there has to be a doctor. அப்படி வேர்ல்டு இருந்தால் தான் everything is possible. But எல்லாருமே MNC owners, எல்லாருமே chief executive officers இருந்தாங்க அப்படின்னா the world will get the big hits. So that's quite impossible anytime soon. Ketan has the next question. And this is Dakshin Siddharth, the 10th grader from Disha School. That is Ketan, 11th grader. Netherlands.
Good evening, sir. So nowadays, due to this pandemic, everyone, even though kids are using technology, sir. But when you are a kid, if you exposed to the technology, what is your idea?
When you are asking,
Yeah.
generally, you are asking whether it is good or bad kind of thing.
No, the general thought. When you are a kid, on that time, when you are a kid, you are exposed to a technology.
What kind of technology I was
With the
exposed
kind
to?
of emotions that you were experiencing when you were a kid, and having the freedom of going to the ground and playing anytime, whenever. Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday night, Sunday morning, Sunday night, Monday night. Yeah. So during that time, if technology has been brought up, our life every mark is go.
Yes, that's what we were playing video games, right? That's where the first thing when I said Tetrites, you know Tetrites games, no? Snake games.
Yes, sir. I have played.
I have played for hours and hours and hours of snake game. That's how it is. The small thing which you feel like now, that was for me is like wow. And then we were playing a lot of things. That small technology thing. And then, sorry, I have to mention this. Have you seen the mouse hovering? Like when you put a mouse on any icon color will change. Something. First thing which I saw, like sir showed me, he took me an internet cafe where we can browse for 40 rupees 1 hour.
No, it's actually 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 40 rupees, 1 hour 20 rupees.
1 hour 20 rupees. So sir took me there for first time. He said internet. I was like, what internet? I know every computer will connect and you can see web pages. Then we went and we saw WWF. That's always we are around that. No? We are really watch people who always watch WWF. Whenever we watch TV, that's like you guys watch IPL, right? We were like crazy about that. So we went to see like okay, we want to see WWF website here. Then went there and then there was a tin beer. Okay, you keep the mouse there, it will rotate. It will be over. Those things now you guys have seen it in many places, right? That if you over the mouse things, those things are like, wow, what is this? Mouse goes there and something is rotating. That's how the technology for me. I mean, to answer it, that's the worst technology you can think of, but that was great for me. How come
We
the
paid
mouse?
40 rupees for
For syncing, no, rotating, and you move the mouse there, it will rotate. And then we used to play Mario, and then the Mario games, and then there used to be vintage games. It will be like an ATM machine. Okay, you get a 5 rupee or a 10 rupee, you put in there, and there will be timer will start, and you can play there. Like vintage game boxes and correct. It will be like that, so you can go play that. That's how we are exposed to technology. Now you guys have it in your hand, right? All high-end games are in the phone, even the phone. So that's how technology was.
But in addition to answering what Karthik has answered, we would not have settled ourselves down if the technology has been putting the handcuffs on us. So to answer your question and give a finishing point, nothing would have stopped us from going out. But today, things have stopped people from going out.
Because it's easily available, cost-wise it is less. See, think about for 20 rupees, what then it was 20 rupees, now it is 200 rupees.
200 rupees.
I can't spend 200 for 1 hour just to see a tin beer revolve. Right? I won't do that. Instead, I'll go play here, have fun. You know, I used to. That's more entertaining for me and even affordable for me. I can't spend that money, right? But for you guys now, even the phones are free, unlimited phone calls, unlimited internet is there. So that's it. If somebody comes and say you have to pay, 2,000 rupees for 2 GB data, then your usage will reduce. You will be forced not to watch your screen. Right? Your parents will not afford. Like nobody will afford 2,000 rupees for 2 GB of data. But now 2 GB data is easy. One day 2 GB is there for you. Right? That's the reason you guys are around that. And and then we are not with that. Even if the technology was there, little was there, and it was expensive for us. It's not easily affordable, not at the tip of the hand, like what you have this time.
Right, so good job, Keetana. So that is Udayashree Brindana, younger sister of Keetana. Udayashree Brinda, younger sister of Keetana. Brinda writes, she has a nickname called as Britisha also, so that is why I have it. British. Brindaங்கிற பேரை பிரிட்டிஷான்னு பேப்பர் எழுதி வச்சு பெருமை. So 9th grader from Shanti Niketan. So Brinda, your question.
So sir, each child has their goal in their childhood. So you said you have a goal to become a architect. What made you to think, or is there any incident that made you to think to become a?
No, I'm not a photographer. I'm like a hobbyist of photography, not a profession.
Brinda, he is a senior architect in Accenture IT company.
I'm in a software. I'm into work,
He's
but
in software.
photography is my passion. See, whatever you ask is correct. What makes you choose the path which you are now? Right? You think I'm a photographer, I do photography, that's one of my interest. See, as you guys grow up, your interest might change. We used to see kids answering like, what do you want to become when you grow up? Everybody will say something. When they grow up, their exposure will change, their thought process will change. They will start to think by themselves. Now, whatever you see who are around you, if you see your brother is doing something or your parents are already in a profession, and what you watch now, whichever it attracts you, is what will you guys will think like, okay, when I grow up, I'll become like that. உங்களை சுற்றி இப்போ என்ன பக்கத்தில் நடக்குதோ எது உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியாக உங்களுக்கு இப்போ தெரியுதோ அதை தான் நான் பெருசாக நான் பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் நினைப்பீங்க. பட் பெருசாகும் போது உங்களுக்கு என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள் தெரியுங்கிறது மாறிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். அசிக்ரோம் நீங்கள் நிறைய வேற யாராலும் அவனையெல்லாம் பார்க்கலாம், புது ஆட்களை பழகலாம், புதுசாக தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ஸோ உடனே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதை விட இது நல்லா இருக்கு, எல்லாமே அது போகக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு தோணும். ஸோ இட் வில் சேஞ்ச். பட் ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கோல்ஸ் ஆர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். லாங் டேர்ம் கோல்ஸ் அது அப்படியே நீங்கள் பெருசாக இவால்வ் ஆகி வரும். There are people who from the சின்னதுலேருந்தே நான் இப்படி தான் ஆகணும்னு சொல்லி கடைசி வரைக்கும் போனவங்க இருக்காங்க. பட் அப்படி தான் போகணுங்கிற அவசியம் இல்லை. மாற்றங்கள் வரும். இட்ஸ் ஹவ் யூ மோல்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப் வித் வாட் எவர் யூ ஹவ் லேர்ன் சோ ஃபார் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஏதோ ஒரு வகையில் இது உதவும் அந்த ஸ்டேஜஸ்.
Right. So thank you, Brinda. So that is Prabhu Aditya, who is sitting in the corner. He is a very good football player, and he is in the 8th grade, Mitra's classmate in Shanti School. So Prabhu Aditya, your question.
So sir, working in Silicon Valley of India and working in work from home, how do you feel the difference? And this difference will be compared us like going to school and studying in office. How you will teach up your friends there and work from home?
Okay. Work from home, see when you ask, it depends on people. Few people will like work from home, few will not like work from home. I love work from home. I used to work from home, it's like not because of pandemic, I'm working from home for 5 years now. So that because I used to go to office for 10 years and after that I switched and I am working from home 5 years. See when you go to office, you will always have your AC, like you have an ergonomic setup. இப்படிதான் டேபிள் இருக்குன்னா கரெக்டாக இருக்கும். When you work for long hours, you should have proper ergonomics. That is what is more important because your body will tend to have a lot of pain otherwise. It's not good for your health. So அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு செட்டப் இருக்கும். So you will have a lot of physical exposure to people. You can talk to people in person. You need not spend money on gadgets. You will have everything in your office. Your conference room. You will have the feel of going to a big MNC company. From team gatherings இருக்கும். So you can go to star hotels, big restaurants. You will have a lot of meetings there, which you don't have it when you work from home. Work from home you are alone. You don't tend to meet people always. But worst thing is when you go to cities or traffic, you will waste a lot of time in traffic. You have to go from home. You have to get ready, and then traffic. You have to spend 1 hour time there, and then you have to go to office, and then that's it. That's a lot of time. When you sit at home, when you have everything set up, it's like you go from bedroom to another room, you start to work. That's all. You need not worry about all. You can save a lot of time. With that time, you can spend in something else. Some passion projects of you. Like I spend time in learning photography. Kind of that. Oh yeah, I spend time with my family. When you guys grow up, you guys have to spend more time with your family. So you can spend time with the family.
He was designing Iron Man suit. He was designing Iron Man suit, And unfortunately, the project left in the scrap because he got busy. He was ready with the Iron Man helmet, which was exactly looking like original. And இவரே எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி அது இருக்கிற அதாவது அயன்மேன் சூட்ல வந்துட்டு அந்த ஹெல்மெட்ல வந்து இந்த கண்ணை ரெடி பண்றதுக்கு 2 நாள் ஆகும். ஸோ ஹி வாஸ் ரெடி வித் தட் பர்டிகுலர் டூம் ஹெல்மெட். அதை வச்சு எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணிட்டாரு. இப்போ பிரணாவை வச்சு சூப்பர்மேன் பார்க்குற மாதிரியான அனிமேஷன் போயிருக்காங்க. ஸோ
அந்த ஃபுட்டேஜ் நமக்கு
நான் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புகிறேன். த பாயிண்ட் இஸ்
வாங்கிக்கலாம்.
ஆமாம் சூப்பர் கிட்னு போட்டு த பாயிண்ட் இஸ் பேஷனை வந்துட்டு பர்சியூ பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப வெறித்தனமாக அவரே டைம் அபோர்ஷன் பண்ணி ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் மெயினாக அந்த 5 வருஷத்தில் வந்துட்டு ஹி வாஸ் ட்ரைங் டு டீவியேட் தட் டுவர்ட்ஸ் ஹிஸ் பேஷன். பட் அதை ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ண முடியலன்னா இதான் ஒரு ட்ரை பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்காரு. ஸோ தட்ஸ்
You can do multitasking.
மல்டிடாஸ்கிங்.
நீ ஆஃபீஸ் போனீங்கன்னா you can't do extra multitasking. But when you work home, you have that flexibility. அதுக்காக ஒர்க் பண்ணணும். ஒர்க் பண்ணனதுக்காக
connection.
இது important. You should concentrate on what you work. But you can, if you do it efficiently, you will have a lot of time to spend in other passionate projects. You think you guys like
Right.
more to go and do lots of projects.
That's a good question. Now the next is Kavin Karthik. Kavin Karthik is in the. Kavin Raj is in the.
Kavin is asking Karthik.
Yeah, Kavin is asking Karthik. Right, that's good. Kavin,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So, sir, you are like us, sir, in school days, if you have this pandemic situation, what will you do, sir?
I will not go to school. Literally, I will not go to school because that's what when I was at that kid, right? I didn't have that technology of the phones, internet, and all was not available. So I wouldn't have any option to